Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create yourselves a new account or new Facebook account. So first of all, we are going to facebook.com and we are going to allow the cookies, obviously. And here we have email or phone number, password. This is for the cases that you already own an account and you just really need to log in. But there's option for create a new account. So we are going to go with first name, last name, mobile number, new password, birthday, gender. You can go with custom, but yeah. Male. Okay, so I'm going to be March 13, 2006. First name Matthewson. King, mobile number or email, and new password. So I'm going to go with something. Well, right after you finish this one, you hit sign up and you are good to go. It's very, very easy. You will find it here. I'm sorry, you will find it here in create account. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.